How to set the secure folder to use Samsung Pass or Google for passwords, passkeys, and autofill on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on Security and Privacy. Then we scroll down and tap on More Security Settings. Next, tap on Secure Folder. And from here, go down and tap on More Settings. Next, tap on Passwords, Passkeys, and Autofill. And then in the Preferred Service, tap on the Settings icon. From the list, you can choose Samsung Pass or Google. So select one of the options, then tap on OK. Or tap on Google and then tap on OK. And that's it. So that is how you can set a preferred service to use passwords, passkeys, or autofill in the secure folder. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.